Hello and welcome back to another vlog. We recently visited Akpafu Adorkor to take some drone shots of the area. During our visit, the assemblyman of the area wanted us to speak to some of the members of the local committee who were keen to highlight some of the major issues the community is currently facing. The first issue is with the lack of accommodation for the teachers of the junior secondary school and also the health centre for the local residents nearby. We start this report with Mr. Frank Akwei, who is the Asafo chair for the Adorkor community and helps to explain the issues further.
We start this project because of some difficulties of the teachers, where the teachers will stay.
Okay.
We don't have where the teachers will stay, and the rooms are not in the town given to the teachers. So we come and say that we sit down there, we see no. How are we going to do before we will get the more teachers in this community? So we plan to make a rooms for the teachers.
Okay.
So we ourselves are doing it.
Okay.
So we have our brothers and sisters outside Adorkor.
Okay.
They are the ones who are helping us for doing this one.
Okay.
Like we will make it more than this one.
Okay.
Due to normal circumstances, money problems and those things, that's why we are making this one.
Okay.
For the meantime.
Okay. Yeah.
So if something is going on, then we are going to extend it again.
Mr. Akwei goes on to advise that this project has been ongoing for the past 3 to 4 months, but explains why there's been such slow progress.
We are doing communal labor.
Okay.
So we just only goes to communal labor on Tuesday.
Okay.
So before we will come here again, unless
another Tuesday.
Okay. Communal labour is where most people in the community are required to take a day off their normal activities and help with the development of any major community projects. This aside from lack of funds would help explain why the progress has been quite slow so far. I then asked him about the other pending issues that need to be highlighted.
Our clinic, we have a difficulty at our clinic because we don't have pipe over there.
Water.
So when it comes like dry season like this, the community fetch water to the clinic.
Okay.
Before, if anyone goes to deliver, before they will get water to move those things over there. So we are just only pleading you people to help us to get a borehole over there, so that the community will be very happy. Secondly, we are just again pleading you people that when we will get a midwifery quarters at the hospital over there, hospital, the quarters, where the nurses will stay, so that even the 24-hour, 24/7, you will not carry nurse from the town here to the hospital. Like you should be there for 24/7. If you are finding them, you will see them.
Definitely.
So we are pleading you.
Okay. So at the moment, what happens if I fall sick now?
If somebody falls sick now, we will carry the nurses over here to the clinic.
I see.
We'll carry them to the clinic.
Yeah.
So only one nurse has taken the opportunity to stay there, to use one room to sleep there and get.
We don't build for nurses,
no,
but it's the hospital.
Yeah.
But as we want somebody to stay there, so we managed to take one room.
Okay.
I went on to ask them how contributions are best to be made, especially by people outside of the Adorkor community. I was particularly interested in this to ensure that any monies received is kept safe and securely and strictly dedicated to the projects that they are talking about.
The community have
the
platform, the community have their own accounts.
Okay, good.
So this money may not go into our honorable assemblyman.
Right.
No.
Okay.
When you talk to assemblyman, he will give you the line, he will give you the number that if anyone want to help, where the money will go.
Okay.
You see this building, JSS.
Okay.
Is the community who built built. It's the community who removed the roof.
Okay.
Then put another roof over there.
Okay.
Because the help is not coming from anywhere.
Right.
So we cannot sit down and see our thing that will spoil.
Yes.
So
Okay.
that's another
project.
thing.
Okay.
So that place, like plastering and those things are concerned over there.
Yeah.
So
We then moved on to the Adorkor Clinic to go and have a closer look at the situation there. Here we spoke to the district nurse called Confidence, who showed us around and helped to explain things further. We firstly noticed that there was only one bed.
And a couch
Okay.
where we detain our patients.
Right.
And
What are
with
some
the
of the issues?
nature, with the bed, you see, it's the old type. So the sticks can just remove on its own at any time, even when patients are lying down.
Yeah.
And the mattress too, in fact,
Yeah, it's quite.
it's very old with holes inside, and it makes clients not comfortable when they are even lying on it.
Sure.
We end up causing more harm than the good we are doing to them. So that is the nature here.
So what would your request be? To get a brand new bed? Do we have space for more beds? Or
Yes, we have space for more beds.
Okay.
When the beds come, they will get it.
Okay, so going back to the issues mentioned before by the elders of the committee, Confidence explains to us here why the borehole is still quite important, as well as the nurses' quarters on-site accommodation for them.
Yes, it will be the best for us. We don't have nurses' quarters.
Okay.
Normally, people come from the nearby facility, which is just down the street.
Right.
To access service here. And when they come, we don't have enough beds to accommodate them. And the water issues too. We don't have midwife, but the district's promised to provide us with one anytime they get it.
So this is the general state of the delivery room, so you can see for yourself that some things need to be improved here. And very lastly, Confidence tells us about the situation with the wiring, which also needs to be looked into. You'll see here where Confidence shows us the current state of the electrical wiring.
The wiring, I don't know what happened. I think mouse and things chopped there. So when it's raining, as if the whole place is coming to bed, as if it's touching each other. So the assemblyman got some people to come and do it, which they charge heavily. But after doing it, it's still the same. So we complained to them several times. Seems like it's the lighting problem.
So you mean you can get somebody to rewire the place
Yes.
properly?
So these are the main issues affecting the people of Akpafu Adorkor. As you can see, the clinic is functioning, and on a positive side, they do have enough medication, I'm told. But the other problems mentioned before obviously are quite serious and need urgent attention. If you are interested in helping on any of these issues, I'll leave the information for the Assemblyman in the description below, where you can contact him and hopefully help to contribute for some of these very important causes. Thanks very much for your attention, and thanks for watching. I'll end this report with some drone photos of both the Akpafu Adorkor and Sokpo villages.